Hello students, good morning. I am N.K. Jha from APS. Today we shall discuss the people upstairs in details. And before this class, we have already told you some facts about the poet. So the poem The People Upstairs, written by Ogden Nash, he was an American poet. And this is the poem refers for the neighbors and how the neighbors are disturbed by you, and you will have to ensure that your neighbor are not disturbed by you. So this kind of theme, this kind of poem this is, and the poet Ogden Nash composed this poem and give the message to the people of the world. So let us start. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Here the poet wants to tell the people who is living on upstairs all practice ballet. Ballet means dance. And it seems that their living room is a bowling alley. उनके जो रूम हैं वो किस तरह लगते हैं, कैसे महसूस होते हैं, कैसे दिखाई देते हैं जिस रूम में वो रहते हैं? बॉलिंग एले के तरह, पगडंडी के तरह. एंड देयर बेडरूम इज फुल ऑफ कंडक्टेड टूर्स. एंड देयर बेडरूम, और बेडरूम कैसा दिखाई देता है? इट लुक्स लाइक फुल ऑफ कंडक्टेड टूर्स. कि वह जो है सो पूरा का पूरा रूम जो है सो कंडक्टेड टूर की तरह महसूस हो रहा है. देयर रेडियो इज लाउडर देन योर्स. और उसके जो रेडियो हैं वो हम लोगों से बड़े हैं और आवाज़ भी, साउंड भी ज़्यादा होता है हमारे रेडियो के अपेक्षा. दैट मीन्स अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइजी नेबर्स, and through that a lot of disturbance is created by the neighbors. So this was the condition and this was the situation occurring on upstairs. They celebrate weekends all the week. वे लोग जो हमारे नाइबर्स हैं जो अपस्टेयर्स में रहते हैं वो वीक के लास्ट डे में सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, पार्टी मनाते हैं. दे सेलिब्रेट पार्टीज. दे व्हेन दे टेक अ शावर योर सीलिंग लीक. और वो जो हमारे पड़ोसी हैं वो जब स्नान करते हैं, टेक अ शावर मीन्स बाथिंग, तो छत जो है सो क्या होता है? लीक करने लगता है. सीलिंग मीन्स छत और लीक मीन्स रिसाव करना. कब रिसाव करता है? व्हेन दे टेक अ शावर, जब वो स्नान करते हैं. दे ट्राई टू गेट देयर पार्टीज टू मिक्स बाय सप्लाइंग देयर गेस्ट with pogo sticks, and when their fun at last awaits, they go to the bathroom on roller roller skates. They try to get their parties to mix. कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारे पार्टीज जो है सब अच्छे हों, उसमें सब कुछ हों. बाय सप्लाइंग देयर गेस्ट विद पोगो स्टिक्स. और किस तरह से वो शामिल होते हैं, गेस्ट उनके किस तरह से शामिल होते हैं, साथ में पोगो स्टिक्स लेकर के. एक तरह का ये स्टिक्स है. ओके. एंड व्हेन देयर फन एट लास्ट अवेट्स दे गो टू बाथरूम ऑन रोलर स्केट्स. और जब उनके पार्टीज, जब उनके यह कार्य जो डांस करने का है, जो पार्टी मनाने का है, सेलिब्रेटिंग करने का है, वो सारा जब लास्ट कर जाते हैं, ख़त्म हो जाते हैं, देन दे गो टू द बाथरूम. वो बाथरूम में जाते हैं, वे लोग बाथरूम में जाते हैं. ऑन रोलर स्केट्स मतलब रोलर स्केट्स को पहन करके. रोलर स्केट्स एक तरह का ऐसा शू है जिसके नीचे व्हील लगे होते हैं, व्हील. एंड वी कैन सी अबाउट द पिक्चर that refers and that indicates to roller skates. Understand? I might love the people upstairs more. This one, the desire of Ogdenness. I might love the people upstairs more. कि मैं अप स्टेयर्स में जो हमारे नाइबोर रहते हैं उनको मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करता हूँ. इफ़ ओनली दे लिव्ड ऑन अनदर फ्लोर. लेकिन मैं और ज़्यादा उससे प्यार करता यदि वो दूसरे फ्लोर पर रहते तो. सो दिस काइंड्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन वांट्स टू प्रोवाइड बाय Ogdenness, एंड ऑलवेज उनका जो कविता होता था वो हास्यपद होता था. एंड इन व्हिच सर्कमस्टांसेज एंड हाउ Ogdenness disturbed by the upstairs people who used to disturb him. So I mean to say this was the story of this poem. And now we have to solve comprehension. It is too important for all of us, so have to try. What is their bedroom full of? What do the people upstairs practice? The people upstairs the people one who lives in upstairs on upstairs all do the practice of ballet. So what is their bedroom full of? His bedroom is full of conducted tools. So very easy question, and after understanding you can solve it easily. And the third one, what happens when the neighbors upstairs take a shower? कि क्या होता है जब नाइबर्स अपस्टेयर्स का स्नान करते हैं. दैट मीन्स सीलिंग्स आर लीकिंग. योर सीलिंग्स आर लीकिंग. दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स extracted these kinds of situation extracted in this poem, and through that Ogdenness wants to give the message about disturbing by the neighbors, and you are also disturbed to the other. So think about that. This one very important. How do they get their parties to mix? You have tried. How do they go to the bathroom? So this is the question answer. You will have to try how to compose, how to write it. What will be the real answer? This one very easy. And number B, read the lines and answer the question. This is very, very important for all of you. So these lines refers for the student to try it, to solve it, and according to the lines you will have to analyze and explain these questions, because these are very, very important. And imagery is very, very important in last one. That will be visual imagery and known as sight. Second one, auditory imagery. This is from sound. And kinesthetic imagery for movement. And tactile imagery is touch. So these are the criteria which is used by the poet Ogden Nash and try to convey to the people of world and share the experience to the people of the world that don't disturb neighbors. And at first you have to ensure to other that you are not disturbed by me. So at first you have to take such part and maintain such part, because firstly you will have to concentrate on it, you will have to handle it and manage it, and through that you can give the message to the world. Everything begins with you. That means you can express your views by the help of your dignity, by the help of your thought and how you are going good and where you are wrong. If once you understand here you are wrong, then you should try to remove it, because it is bad habits, and through that the other will be disturbed. So it is not necessary for you that the others will be disturbed by your nature, by your behavior, and whenever you are living in the apartment. So like these circumstances, and through the poem, Ogden Nash wants to give the message which kind of circumstances creates in front of the poet and how he handled it. Okay, so in next class, this is your homework, comprehension and question answer. You should try and have to write question answer, because this is very, very easy. And page number 11 and 12 will be homework, and after that I will start chapter number 3. Okay, thanks.